We made an experiment. We used a certain type of pigment to achieve this result. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Nadia and I'm going to explain you how we got here. We use Chameleon pigment powder, but to be honest, we believe you can just use the usual mica powder. Using a brush, we are adding a very thin layer of this powder, and we actually noticed that it adheres quite nicely to the silicone. Now we are using Jesmonite AC100 to create a base color. We decided that black would be the best option to create a nice contrast. All calculations were done using the Jesmonite calculator. Also, don't forget to not go over the recommended 2% pigment of the total mixture. We're not going to explain the mixing and making process, but you can take a look at the playlist videos we're tagging, so you can know more. We have a little bit of extra, of course we're not going to waste it, and we'll be using it for terrazzo on other creations. After 30 minutes, it's time to unmold. It has such a nice reflective shine on it, and the powder seems to actually have bonded really well with the Jesmonite. We see some imperfections, but for a first experience, we're actually very happy with the result. What do you think? Is this something you are going to try? Let's do a rubbing test. Well, a little bit came off. Probably just excess powder, because the Jesmonite will only adhere to that first layer. So if you want to create this effect, no need to go for a thick layer, will just be a waste of product. And if we sand a piece, the first layer, being the powder, will just come right off, so don't forget that. Hope you enjoyed this little experiment and gave you ideas to do something new.